Uganda is now counting 2,426 COVID-19 cases, with 25 deaths and 1,267 recoveries. Over 600 of these cases have been recorded in Kampala alone, with the numbers steadily rising in the last 1 week. When Parliament convened from 2 weeks of recess, Government Chief Whip Ruth Nankabirwa told members that the President has summoned an urgent meeting tomorrow to discuss this situation. The laxity of Ugandans, especially those in Kampala, in observing the health guidelines, the status of the districts under lockdown, and the demands by religious leaders to have places of worship reopened will be part of the discussion.
Here we are, urging for opening up for some places, but the situation is worse than when we started. When we had not registered any deaths, we are now seeing deaths. So the National Task Force tomorrow is challenged to come up with decisions which will instill hope.
Honourable members, of course, the COVID situation is still on, but I think the government should concentrate more on trying to help people to live with it. We don't know where it's going to end. But my worry is that I have not seen the local leaders involved. We are hanging in the air. You people are hanging in the air.
However, legislators raised concerns over the slow pace in the distribution of the government face masks. Government set aside over 80 billion shillings to procure 35 million masks for distribution among Ugandans.
In my area in Dokolo, we haven't seen the mask distributed. People are gathering massively without any form of protection. We don't even see the soap distributed to the people. So people are at risk. The government has to take action because whether you like it or not, the process of election has started, right, Honourable Speaker?
I'm also furious about masks. Chibok has not received masks, much as we had made an arrangement that we distribute masks along with the mosquito nets.
We are concerned about the money that was given to deal with COVID. And I think, Madam Speaker, we need accountability on all the funds that have been given.
Meanwhile, Nankabirwa has congratulated Speaker Rebecca Kadaga upon her re-election as the second female national vice chairperson of NRM. Nankabirwa opened the campaign for State Minister of Lands Persis Namuganza, who was defeated by Kadaga.
I want to thank all the members of Parliament who campaigned for me for the post of second national vice chair of the NRM. Although it is a party post, still I want to thank all the members of Parliament across the board who gave support. Indeed, I would like to thank the members who acted as agents in all the districts.
Allow me to add my voice to those who have congratulated you and your deputy. But more important, I would also like to congratulate candidate Yoweri Museveni, who was chosen unopposed as a presidential flag bearer for the National Resistance Movement and as the national chairperson of the National Resistance Movement.
Herbert Ziwa, NTV at Parliament.